Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about if with and function, and let's talk about condition first. Here you can find employee name, level 1, level 2, level 3 and total performance, which is combination of 3 levels. So this particular company wants to decide to distribute bonuses to their employees based on their level wise performance. So before that, I'm going to discuss about a concept of and or. Okay, let's discuss about concept and as we already know that both the condition is true, then it is true. Coming to or, either one of them is true, then it is true. So let's say take one example. If a person wants to clear an exam which contains 6 subjects, either if he failed single subjects, not able to go for the next level. So coming to OR function, if a person is manages to clear even a single exam out of 3, will go to the next level. Okay, here the company says that will focus on level wise performance. So as you can see, the maximum score in the level is 10. So they can say that let's take a mid value which is 5. So they say that if a person get a 5, more than 5 in all 3 levels, level 1, level 2 and level 3, they only the persons treated as a qualified status. As you observed, this is a condition and now I'm going to start a formula which is equal to if. I will open up the formula by pressing tab button. Now the condition is and a and d and it tab button. I have to put 3 conditions in this logical test, and this is nested formula. So logical 1, logical 2, basically logical is a condition. So that the first condition in hand formula is mandatory. Apart from anything you can see is a optional. So let's start with formula. So if I take level 1 which is greater than equal to 5 comma, and level 2 which is greater than equal to 5 comma, level 3 greater than equal to 5. So I'm closing the and log function. Okay, when I close this bracket, you can see the if function will highlight. The and function is closed now. For this greater than 5, then what we get? Qualified for bonus. If not, disqualified. Close bracket, enter. So come here, come up, control T. So as you can see here, I was taking the only qualified list, only 9 people. So 9 people they qualified for bonus. That's it guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubts further, in case of any suggestion, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.